I have already, but it's maybe I will change that one because they will have the test on Saturday, right? I have already there. Maybe I can change. Let's see. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, teacher.
Afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, teacher.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat?
ผัดไทย
Sausage.
Wow. Who cooked the sausage?
My grandma.
How about the others? What's your
I
cook?
eat ผัดไทย
Okay, let's wait for the others to come. I'm gonna show you my screen. Oras. Where is it? I can't see the face of my students. Then when I do this, where is it like? It's alright. Let's minimize it. How many students do we have? 27. So this is just a review, and then after that we will have the word wall test or the word wall game. It's a game only. Don't worry, it will not be recorded. All right. All right.
Yes.
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 Do you know what is it? No, it's on my phone. I will edit content, right? Edit content and then change it into okay. So we're gonna change the game itself. No, we can. Switch template to let's see. We can do that. Okay. Change already. So how many students? 32. So let's start. So open, no need to open your book. Just look here on my screen and listen to me. Understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Who's still eating? Is there anyone still eating there? No more? Okay. So again, environment. So what is an environment? Can you read?
It is the surrounding or condition in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates.
Okay.
Natural environment encompasses all living things and non-living things occurring naturally.
Okay, so it is the surroundings of which person, animal, or plant lives or operates. So it is where we live. So what is an environment made of? It has 5. We have the air, light, water, soil, and temperature. What is air? Air, living things need air to stay alive. Plants and animals need to take in oxygen for the air for the respiration. Plants need carbon dioxide to carry out photosynthesis. Okay. So light, sun is the source of light. Plants need sunlight to carry out the photosynthesis. Do you know what is photosynthesis, right?
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Let's finish the time. Yeah, because it has the time, right? Where is it? Okay. Water, plants and animals. Okay. You apply it. Plants and animals need water for respiration. Plants also need water to carry out the photosynthesis. Remove the lights. So as you can see in this picture, it has a cactus, right? And then it has many fish. So these are the things or the living things that need a lot of water. But here in cactus, even though it doesn't have enough water in desert, they still able to live because they can store water on or in their body. Soil. Plants get water and nutrients from the soil. Soils have different properties which affect the types of plants that can grow well in them. So in plants, plants can grow in different types of different kinds of soil. So we have 3 types of soil. We have the loamy, the sandy, and then the gray soil. Temperature. Many plants and animals cannot survive in extreme temperatures. The temperature of the place depends on the amount of sun's rays that reaches the place. Same also in North and South Pole. So the north of the globe and then the south part of the globe, the Antarctic and then the what's that? Atlantic Ocean. No, you can type it. You can type it. Sure, I can do it. Okay. Another. Characteristics of animals in the environment. So a living thing. Oh, which page? No need to open your book. Okay. Just look here. No need to look at your book. So a living thing interacts with the other living things in its environment. Same. Look at the penguins. They are playing. That's how they interact with the other penguins. And also these pandas. They interact by playing also. A living thing depends on other living things for food. You remember the prey and predator? Prey and
Yes.
predator relationship?
Yes.
Okay, so which is the predator here? Which is the predator here?
Later is bear.
Bear.
Which is the prey?
Fish.
Fish, okay. Can you give me another example of prey and predator relationship?
Lion and sheep.
Lion and sheep. What else?
shark and fish.
Cow
A
and
tiger and zebra.
tiger and zebra. What else?
Snake and rat.
Again, snake and rat. What else? How about human and our people and fish? Is it also a kind of prey and predator relationship?
Yes.
Yes. So a living thing depends on another living thing for food and shelter. So just like us, we need shelter to live. But we don't live on other living thing also because we don't live on top of the tree. Right? So just like this animal, this monkey. This monkey lives on the tree. That's how they have that's how they depend on another living thing for food and shelter. Same like this, the fish lives in the corals or the sea anemones. Living things compete with other living things for food and shelter. So they have to make or they have to get food from the other living thing or they have to fight. They have to fight for the other living thing so that they can have their food and their place or the shelter for the territory. So living thing depends on other living things to reproduce. Just like this flower, how they can reproduce? They can reproduce by the help of the bee. Living things can cause harm to other living thing. Like this, you know aphids, right? So the aphids are one of the worst enemy of plants. They kill plants, they get the nutrients, and then after that, the plants will die. Where do living things seek shelter and protection? What's that? Oh, it's already. So protects or shield animals from predators and bad weather. Safe place for living things to grow and reproduce. These are the predators. We have the, what's this?
Killer whale.
Killer whale.
Tiger.
Red white shark.
Red white shark. Lion.
Lion. Okay, can you give me another example or can you give me more examples of predators that you know?
Snake.
Snake.
Cheetah.
Cheetah. What else?
Fox. Dolphin. Hyena.
Again? Hyena. What else?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Very good. Next, prey. It's the animal or organism which the predator eats. So we have the octopus, deer, stingray, and zebra. Can you give me another example?
Rat.
Rat. What else?
Sheep.
Sheep. What else?
Goat.
Goat.
Rabbit.
Okay.
Rabbit.
Rabbit, correct. So some animals seek shelter and protection under the ground, like rabbit, snake, earthworms, and mole. They called it burrows. Okay, so they dig under the soil or under the ground so that they can hide from the predators. Trees provide shelter to animals like koalas, owl, monkeys, and squirrels. So we have the three classification of animals on what they eat, right? So we have the Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. What is herbivores? Or what is the meaning of herbivore?
Animal eat only plant.
Carnivores,
Animal eats only meat.
omnivores,
Eat both.
Eat
eat both. Okay.
both.
So these are the examples of herbivores, or the animals that eat only plants. You have the sheep, rabbit, elephant, and panda. Okay, so can you give me more examples of herbivores, animals that eat only plants?
Cow and
And
buffalo. Buffalo.
zebra,
Buffalo.
Okay, correct. Very good. Next, carnivores, animals that eat only other animals like lion, leopard, dolphin, and polar bear. Can you give me more examples?
Great white shark.
Hyena. What else?
Tiger.
Again,
Whale.
tiger.
Whale.
How about eagle? How about eagle? Is an eagle a carnivores or omnivores or herbivores? Eagle. What is an eagle? Do you know eagle?
Is carnivore.
Yes.
Yeah, eagle is like a
Bird.
bird, right?
Bird.
One of the biggest bird that can fly. Mon, do you have question?
No.
Okay. Next, omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. So we have the rat, boar, monkey, turtle. What are the others?
Parrot.
Parrot,
Dog.
dog.
Cat.
Dog. Cat. Cat.
How about frog? Frog.
Yes.
No, frog is not an omnivore. Frogs don't eat plants. They eat insects only.
Or fly.
So what is a food chain? It's a linear network of links in a food web starting from producer organisms and ending at apex predator species or detrivores or decomposer species. So this is a linear food chain or food chain only, one chain. So the arrow means eaten by. Flower is eaten by the caterpillar. The caterpillar is eaten by the frog. The frog is eaten by the snake, and the snake is eaten by the...
Ow.
So what is the producer here?
Flower.
Flower. How about the secondary consumer?
Frog.
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 How about the tertiary consumer?
Snake.
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 The apex predator.
Flower.
Apex predator. What is apex?
Owl.
Ow.
Okay.
Owl.
So producers are also known as autotrophs. So autotrophs are the plants that can make their own food. Consumers are animals of an ecological food chain that consumes other organisms. So just like you and I, like the people, are a major part of the food chain. So people are on top, okay, but not on the top because we are not the apex. So we have the primary consumers, the first animal or insect that eat the producers only. These animals are what we call herbivores. And after that, we have the secondary consumers. So the secondary consumers can be carnivores or omnivores because they can eat the producer and they can eat the primary consumers. Tertiary consumers, they eat secondary consumers sometimes, both secondary and primary consumers. So this one, the tertiary consumer and then the apex predator are carnivores. They don't eat plants. They eat only meat. So this owl can eat the grasshopper and can also eat the mouse. Producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and the tertiary consumer. Apex predator is what we call the alpha. Okay, the alpha or the top, the highest of the food chain. If you look at this picture, we have the producer, primary, secondary, tertiary, and then the apex. It means no one or nothing can eat the apex predator. Decomposers. Decomposers are the fungi and the bacteria, and they can complete the food chain. They turn the organic waste, such as decaying plants, into organic materials, and they will turn into a nutrient-rich soil. So after this, the decomposers, they can complete the cycle of life. So these are the what we call the food for the producer. Okay, they will become the fertilizer of the plants, like this. So the producer will be eaten by the primary consumer, or the grasshopper. The grasshopper will be eaten by frog. Frog will be eaten by snake, and then snake will be eaten by hawk. And then after that, if the hawk died, it will turn into it will be decomposed by the decomposer. And then after that, the decomposer will be the food for the producer. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So food web, a system of interlocking and interdependent food chains. So we have here many chains of food in the food web. How many again here? We have 8 or 9?
9.
Eight.
8.
8. Okay. Can you tell me the first one?
Grass, rabbit, frog.
Okay, next. What's the answer?
Glass, rabbit, heart.
Hawk. Okay, next.
Grass, mouse, owl.
Okay, next.
Glass, mouse, fox.
Okay, next.
Grass, mouse, hawk.
Very good. Okay, how about this one?
Glass, grasshopper, fox, owl.
Very good.
Grass, grasshopper, bird, snake, hawk.
Okay. How about this one? You have the grass, grasshopper, frog, and then the owl. Grass, grasshopper, frog, snake. Puspajamon. Don't write on the screen, please. Grass, mouse, owl. Grass, mouse, snake. Grass, mouse, eagle. Grass, rabbit, snake, eagle. Grass, rabbit, eagle. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
This one, the food web in aquatic environment. Which one here is the apex predator?
Blue whale and
Blue whale and then the
killer whale.
Okay. Which one is the producer?
Zooplankton.
And seaweed.
Zooplankton? Producer. That is the phytoplankton and then the
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
seaweed. Which one is the primary consumers?
Phytoplankton.
Zooplankton, krill, and
Krill, crab.
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 Okay. Now, teacher, did you send the teacher Namwa will send you the link to the word wall. Can you see it? Have you sent it? Okay, so this is the link to the word wall, and try to answer all the questions that are given in that test. Understand? It's easy. Does it have time? 10 minutes? Time. Does it have? Okay. So, I will check if you can answer all, because on Saturday, did they know about it? Saturday or Sunday, they will have the midterm test. Okay. So let's just practice first. Okay. Can you see it? Okay, don't forget, on Saturday and Sunday, we will have the midterm. So that midterm will be like this in the word wall.
มีใครเข้าลิงก์ไม่ได้ไหมคะ เข้าไปแล้วพิมพ์ชื่อของตัวเองเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะคะ ชื่อจริงค่ะ ชื่อจริงเป็นภาษาอังกฤษ เพราะว่าทีเชอร์จะได้ทำการเก็บคะแนนได้เนาะ มีทั้งหมด10ข้อนะคะ ตอบคำถาม true or false เกี่ยวกับเรื่องที่เราเรียนในวันนี้ มีใครมีคำถามอะไรไหมคะ
You have any questions?
I have question.
No question. Can you play it now? Are you playing it now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think it's easy or not easy?
It's very easy, teacher.
Very easy. Okay. I don't know how about the others. Is everyone playing?
มีใครยังเข้าไม่ได้ไหมคะ
I'm playing. Finish now, teacher.
Finish. Okay, I will check. Don't make it fast, okay? Don't worry if you're fast or slow, as long as you are correct. Play it slowly and make it all correct. Number of each students, top score. Oh. See, I told you. Read carefully before you answer. Read carefully before you answer.
อย่ารีบตอบนะคะ อ่านดีๆค่ะ
Okay. Yeah, one time only. You can play the game one time only.
ได้รอบเดียวเท่านั้นค่ะ เพราะว่าเป็นการเล่นเกมเก็บคะแนนเนาะได้รอบเดียวค่ะ
I finished now, but it was fun.
Again?
Fun. It easy, but hey, it was fun. It was fun.
It's easy and it's fun.
Yes. Yes.
Next time I will make more so that you can answer it. You can answer them, all right? Okay. Don't forget to write your name before playing. Okay? Teacher, can you ask them if they get like, if they answered all 10 questions?
ตอบกัน10 ข้อใช่ไหมคะ มีทั้งหมด10 ข้อนะคะ ใช่ไหมทำครบใช่ไหมคะ
ครบครับ
ค่ะ
ครบครับ
ค่ะ
Seven. I got 7.
23 students. Oh, we have the top scorer now. Who's gonna pat?
อ๋อ
Anapat is very good. Got the first. Mon?
That's down.
What's that sound, Mon? Are you on a... You can turn off your mic if you are not talking, okay? So that we cannot hear what you are saying. Papichaya. Wow, let's check. Everyone finish?
Yes.
Oh, we have 2 now. Oh, the fastest is Titaya. Titaya answered the questions for 43 seconds only.
Congratulations, Tidera.
It's so very easy, teacher.
Your friend
Bye-bye.
said, congratulations. What will you answer to her? Titayan.
Again, teacher.
She said, Pasay said, congratulations because you got 10. What will you respond? What will you say to her?
What, teacher?
Huh?
I can't understand.
Pasay told you, congratulations. Okay? Because you got 10. What will you answer? What will you respond to her?
Advantage.
I got 10. I
And
got.
what will you say to her?
Thank you. Thank you, Pastor.
Thank you. Everyone finish?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Oh, no, not all, because it has 30 students only, while you were 36 here, or maybe 35. 2 students got correct answers, got 10 points. Titaya and Tanapat. Very good. It's easy, right? Pasay, what's your whole name? Pasay, what's your whole name?
You mean me?
Yes, you.
Kayapat.
Kaya.
Kayapat.
ฟ้าใสครั้งแรก ชื่อจริงนะคะ ชื่อซูมอะค่ะไม่งั้นครูใช้ชื่อไม่ได้นะ เข้าใจไหมคะฟ้าใส
Teacher, can I play again?
Do you want to play it again?
I
How
want
can you
to
play
play
it
again.
again? How will you-
it was fun.
Because you have only one try.
We had to.
One live only or one life only.
I don't have.
Next time you can play it again more. Or I will make one and then I will make and maybe you can message me on my line. Okay. I will put my number so that you can message me. I will make for you to play only. Okay. Is that okay or not okay? Not okay? You're not answering.
I'm okay. teacher.
Okay, teacher.
You can add me online and I will, this is my number. Add me online. The name is, what's my name? What's my name? I forgot my name. Oh. My name is Jay Renver. Okay. Add me online and then tell me if you are Proton 5 because I gave also to Proton 4. Okay, I can't remember all your names. And I will send you if I made already. I will send you my word wall game. All right. Is that okay with you? Is that okay with you? This is my line, okay? Line ID. If you cannot find my name, you can find my number there. So if you have questions, you can ask me. Finish?
Finish.
Finish.
Finish?
Finish.
Finish.
No.
Good. Okay, we will check now.
Teacher.
Who got the highest score?
I got 10. teacher.
Who got the highest
I got
score?
7. I got
Four students got perfect 10. Okay, 4 got perfect 10. Wait a minute. So the first one is Titaya. Titaya answered the test 43 seconds only. The next one is Nichapa. Who is Nichapa? Show me your screen, Nichapa. Nichapa. Where is Nichapa? Nichapa. Where are you? Nichapa. Turn on your camera. Where's Nichapa? Nichapa Pimha? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Nichapa, Nichapa, are you there? Nichapa,
นิชาพาพิมพ์หาค่ะ เปิดกล้องหน่อยลูก
turn on your camera. Where are you? It's not here. Nichapa not here. Okay. So the next, the third one is Sawit. Where's Sawit? Sawit, Sawit. Okay. So Nichapa answered the test 44.9 seconds. And then Sawit answered it 54.4. And the fourth one is Tanapat. Tanapat answered it 2 minutes 33 seconds. It's all right. No, it's all right even if it's what's that, long time or short time. It's okay. Don't worry about it. So next time, if I give you the test, read carefully. No need to rush. Okay, no need to make it fast as long as it's correct. Same also in your midterm test because on Saturday and Sunday, you will have the midterm test. So answer it or answer all the tests or the questionnaires slowly. Read and think. Don't just click, click, click. Understand? Do you understand me?
Yes.
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 Am I clear to you? Okay. So that's it. And we'll see you on Thursday. All right? Turn on your cameras. Show me your cute smile. Big smile, big smile. Turn on your cameras. Big smile, big smile. Okay, so goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, จิ๊กซอว์เพื่อนรัก
Goodbye,
Okay.
Bye bye, Joe. Bye bye. Bye bye.